हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज की हमारी वीडियो में हम देखेंगे इंटर सेकेंड ईयर इकोनॉमिक्स के मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस। ये वो क्वेश्चंस हैं जिसको पढ़कर आप अच्छे मार्क्स से पास हो सकते हो स्टूडेंट्स, बिकॉज दीज आर डेफिनेट क्वेश्चंस। Let's see. First, we'll see the LAQs. Each one carries 10 marks. Explain the importance of agriculture in Indian economy. Describe the causes of poverty in India. What are the causes of rapid growth of population in India? Assess the impact of green revolution on Indian economy. How do you reduce inequalities in the distribution of income and wealth? Briefly explain the development and welfare programs of Government of Telangana. Analyze critically the characteristics of developing economics with reference to India. Describe the causes for low productivity in agriculture. What is meant by small scale industries in India? Describe the education system in Telangana. So these were the most important LAQ students. इसमें से definite question आ सकता है. Now let us see the SAQs. Each one carries 5 marks. Explain the functions of NABARD. Assess the role of international trade on Indian economy. What are the major objectives of LIC? Discuss the aims of environmental degradation. Explain the theory of demographic transition. What is planning? Explain. Indicate the measures to solve the problems of small-scale industries. What are the different concepts of poverty? Write the objectives of Niti Aayog. Examine the indicators of economic development. What are the defects of agricultural marketing in India? Discuss the tank irrigation system in Telangana and Mission Kakatiya program in brief. Describe the family planning program in India. What are the major features of Industrial Policy Resolution 1991? What are the causes of rural indebtedness? Explain the importance of WTO. What are the types of non-renewable energy sources? Analyze the causes of unemployment in India. Examine the different types of unemployment. Write a brief note on the education profile of state. Now let us see the VSAQs, that is very short questions. Each one carries 2 marks. What is Physical Quality of Life Index? PQLI. Cyberabad, infrastructure, self-reliance, minimum support prices, MSP, tertiary sector, liberalization, TRIMS, Food Corporation of India, FCI. What are the types of environment? Right to Bandhu, infant mortality rate, balance of payments, sustainable development, per capita income, economic development, Kalyana Lakshmi Patakam. What is privatization, maternal mortality, Asara pension scheme, per capita income? Students, this question is repeated. Population explosion, write about the Industrial Policy Resolution 1956, TSI pass, economic infrastructure, Janani Suraksha Yojana. What are the objectives of GATT? Microfinance, LIC, poverty line, grading, balance of trade, buffer stock. Explain National Rural Health Mission, inclusive growth, GIC, junior colleges in Telangana, ecosystem, globalization, balanced regional development. Students, I'm going to upload very short, easy answers. So just hit the bell icon.